Hello everyone, this is Rachel and Ahmed here from Rosa and us. I hope wherever you are, whatever you do, you have a wonderful time.
Please join us as we travel from Putrajaya down to Melaka before we jump on a ferry all the way to Indonesia.
We don't know what will come along, but we are very sure it's going to be an interesting episode. Join us.
What does that smell? This tree? Come and see.
Yeah, it's definitely this tree. It smells stronger here. It has some sort of fruit on it growing.
Yeah, it looks a bit like a fig.
They maybe make it out from perfume.
It does smell like perfume, doesn't it?
Yes.
It smells like men's perfume. How unusual. Let's call it the perfume tree.
Yeah. Oh, here. Malaysian banyan fig.
So it's the last day for us here in the Putrajaya Wetlands. We really enjoyed the stay here. It was very quiet, but there's a lot of activities. The adventure park, zipline. We're going to do, what else we're going to do, Rach?
There's a wetland studio where the kids can learn more about the bird life in the area. And I think there's even like an interactive dinosaur thing.
Dinosaur. Are you excited?
Yes! I think I've seen a dinosaur fossil in the museum.
Did you?
Yeah, I think I had.
Where was that?
I think when I was 4 years old or 3 years old in Morocco or I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Sebagai contoh, lihat Bapak semua, cucu-cucu semua.
See you guys. Yeah. Everything's so nice.
Yeah.
What's that selling in the side of the road? Oh, dragon fruit. You want dragon fruit, kitty?
Yes, please.
There we go.
Oh, they got mixed.
Baby berries.
So yellow. Lychee.
Oh, right.
Thank you.
Like it, shall we?
Daddy.
They're very sweet. One for Daddy.
Thank you. Wow, how many kilos is that?
4 kg.
4 kilo, 30. How much is that in Australia, guys?
It'll be like $40.
$40, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's very cheap.
30.
Wow. the farmer, she's very kind to let us to walk through the farm and see how the dragon fruit is being grown. We don't have the dragon fruits growing everywhere in Australia, but it's very new for the kids to see how it grow and produce.
Colour choose some?
Yeah, fine. Two? Yeah, two more.
2 more.
Yeah, one more.
Do you like a dragon fruit?
Yes, it's very delicious.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
How are you, sister? Nice to meet you.
Yes. Alin.
Aline.
Yes.
Aline. Rachel.
Miss too.
Rachel.
Okay. Oh my god.
It's called Pattaya. You haven't had that
yeah.
one before, have you?
No,
Alright,
first
let's
time.
have a look.
Oh, there's the eggs and rice and chicken.
Yum.
Ayam.
That smell.
Yeah.
Fried rice. Sounds good.
Morning.
With omelette.
I think they put a chili sauce on the top. Oh,
It's good.
the smell of the smoky wok. That's why it makes it very special.
Yeah, I love that smell and taste
Oh,
of the
yeah.
wok.
What did you order, Shabi?
I think this one is the Nasi Goreng USA.
Nasi Goreng USA.
Yeah.
Yum, yum.
Thank you.
Thank you. Holy moly, what is this, Amma?
I think it's a soup, me soup.
Wow.
Humongous.
Like fried and
We're just leaving Port Dickson now after a really lovely meal at a Lynn's family restaurant. We're so glad we stopped there. We could hear the click clacking of the woks and had to check it out. Today we're heading down towards the beach to a new campsite about 20 k's out of Port Dickson on the way to Melaka. So let's check it out.
So driving from Putrajaya and coming here, it was a long drive. But one thing in Malaysia, as you dig in, you find a lot of beauty. So we're stopping here. What's it called, right?
Pedang Kumunting.
Pedang Kumunting. It's only 20k from Melaka. It's got all the facility, electricity, water. So we're gonna have a 1-2 day rest, and then we head to Melaka. But what do you think about that, Lovey?
Oh, it's beautiful. And the great thing is it's a hot spot for turtles that come here and nest. And there's even a hatchling centre down here.
Let me show you. Look at that. Kids definitely will love it.
So they're setting them free? Yeah. One's on its.
you can see them like pop their head out and one. I just saw them pop their head out.
What do you think?
It's great. They're so cute.
Did they all reach the ocean?
Yeah, I think like 2 did.
2 reach the ocean so
Yeah, I
far?
think 2.
There is something magical about cooking outdoors. The golden light filtering through the trees and the quiet hum of the nature waking up. Nothing fancy, only fresh bread cooked by Rachel and saucy tomato sardines with eggs. That makes camping breakfast simply delicious. So that was a wonderul 2-night stay in Pedang Kumunting. It was a wonderful town, wonderful people too, and kids had a great experience to see how the turtle being released in the water. Thank you, Hans, for letting us to see this. So next we're going to the city of Melaka. It's a historical city. We're going to explore it more and also work out the next step in our adventure.
We got a trucker's beat.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Follow the man on the motorbike.
Okay. Okay.
Looks like there's a festival happening here this weekend, so that was good timing. Something exciting for us to do and the kids to enjoy. The guys have just led us through the parking lot to find our campground for the day. Now this is the parking lot we're going to get into. Ahmed's just driving around the block, I think, to get into the spot. Power, water, and look, we got a carnival here this weekend. Food, fun, music. Can't get better than that.
So this is a nice place to camp for a few nights. It's free. It was a donation box. We will donate. There's a bit of traffic in the back, but we don't mind it at all. But hey, there's events happening there, a lot of food, a lot of activities, and kids very excited to check it out.
I'm gonna ride out all this little hometown.
When you come to Melaka, the first impression is a lot of colorful building and also beautiful architecture. And that's because a lot of culture settled and lived here, and perhaps that's why everyone comfortable visiting Melaka, including us.
It says here Melaka was the centre of the Malay Sultanate in the 15th century, and they built the fort out of laterite red stone.
I think it's a cool way to see Melaka. You take a river cruise, and that will take you through the heart of the historical Melaka, and that's what we're going to do. What do you think, Lovey?
Great idea.
Yeah, I love food.
So what a beautiful day it was, full of joy. So it's time to say goodbye to the good vibe of Melaka and also good people of Malaysia. And we will see you in Indonesia. See you.